Hi, my name is James at Proinkshop.com. Okay, I'm going to show you how to recondition in the HP Offset Pro 8710. Most of my videos are like a reconditioning on HP and absence, something that is valuable. I don't want like a touch, model that is selling it cheap. I don't even bring it in. But this, from the research, this 8710 is pretty strong printer, and also able to use refill cartridges with the HP original empty still, and the printer is pretty strong, and the body also mechanically very strong and fast, and good for like a mid-sized business, the office business. So today I picked up the 1 HP Offset Pro 8710 from the recycle center. I paid them $10 for this. I tried to give them $5, but they know what to sell. They know which one's selling fast and which one's not selling. So I brought it in, but the reason I tried to give them $5 is how it was broken. Like this part came out from the bottom of the paper tray, and it was very bad condition. But I put it back on the right condition. The scanner came off. I put it back on. No power cable, and I couldn't even test it. They don't let people testing the machines at the place. So paper still in here. Let me see if I can put it back on. The reason I brought this in, because I don't, if it broke like very bad, I don't bring it in. I just take the part out, like a pin head and stuff, cartridges, that I can, recycle it, refill, stuff. But oh, it's broken. Shit. Let's see. Suppose like this, and some parts broken here, so supposed to be oh well. I got it in. Yes. All right, I got it in. Put it back in. Usually when they get this recycled printer from the consumer, they throw them in the watermelon bin box, like big bin box, the bin, and just throw them in. So printers are very bad condition. So I have to pick and choose from there. Sometimes I only take some part and pay them a little money. Sometimes I bring the whole body. It depends on. But they usually, if you don't have a connection in there, they don't let you in, because their facility kind of like a mess always. Like especially like a big recycle center, they don't let you in. But like local small centers, before they stack them up, sorting them up, what they do is they usually, oh shit, there's fresh on it. They usually sorting them up, and then it's something good, they resell it. Something like shit, and they send it to bigger recycle center, that place that they crush them out, and then take some part and some whatchamacallit, the gold mining, take some part from the gold, and then try to get some gold stuff. So yeah, the body clean. So let's see. There's no power cable, so I'm gonna use my power cable. I have a lot of power cable here, so let me put it in. Okay, power comes up. Let's see why they recycled it. Some people just recycling because they don't need it. That's a lucky case. Oh shit! There's another scratch on here. So I hate this condition. Can't even do anything with this. So the resale value is very, drop down with those like little scratches because people looking at the exterior condition first when they're buying it. All right. Looks like there's a cartridge inside. Let's see if it's print or not. Most lucky case is like, it prints well. But still, even if it prints, good, nothing wrong with it, I still do reconditioning because it's gotta be stay more than 5 years with the customers, new owners. So reconditioning the print head because there's these are like 8 or 9 years old printers. So there's some parts already got old, so I have to replace or reload those. I gotta check it, some parts. So I'll show you what I do. What's wrong with it? Come on. Spread out some paper. Come on, buddy. I hear some like gear noise. I gotta put some oil on that. Like get sound, Get it. The rolling sound. The oil got dried up. There's like tool bar that is rolling. And the carriage bar, printhead carriage bar. What happened? Oh, okay. So that sounds good. Alright. Ta-da! Wow! They just recycled it. Looks like, I don't know. Let me see. Oh, no wonder. Okay. It's been printed 54,000 pages. Still very good condition. Okay. Yeah, I can, I usually don't resell these like printers that prints like more than 15,000 pages. These been print out like almost 60,000, 54,000 pages, which is a lot. I mean, as mechanically, it's suitable for like 300,000 pages. If you change the printhead, keep on changing the printhead. Printhead mostly like stay good up to like 100,000 pages on this printer. After 100,000 pages, start getting lines because the nozzle got broke. It had too much heat from the printer. So these I am just going to, even though I'm gonna check the printer head, but if it is just first print head, they didn't change any, then it's pretty old print head with a lot of pages on it. So I don't want to resell those print head because the life is not that long. So I'm gonna ship it out to export out to Korea. I'm stacking up a lot of printers to exporting out to Korea. So I'm gonna put it in there, but I'm still gonna restore reconditioning the printer. So let's see what I'm doing. But first, I'm gonna check the print head. Okay, I see the cartridges. It looks like the last cartridge was been changed like a couple years ago. They didn't use it for a long time though. That's why they recycled it. But still good. Because from the expiration date, mostly like, it's 2022. And the blacks are like 2024. So this is the last cartridge they changed. Probably they bought it probably like a year or 2 years ago. Yeah, it is first printhead. How to find out is it's too oily. I don't know if I or not. I see here. It's stack up the legend on top of the printhead cover. So this is the first printhead, but it's pretty good condition. Looking inside, yeah. Looks like they never use any aftermarket cartridges, because usually if they use aftermarket cartridges, the inside the printhead is not that clean. It's like all black by the the legend. Um, too oily, and no wonder there was like squeaky sound on the bar. So in Korea, if I send to Korea, what they do is they use as much as they can, and then if printer like have too much legend on, like the powders sticky and oily inside, they wash it out. They disassemble everything and they wash it out. They spray some chemicals and wash it out with water, and then make it clean, and then they assemble it back. Their technology, technique is amazing. And I can do it in here because it takes a long time for me. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna check on the printhead first. Okay, this is the part that's supposed to be replaced. Repaired. Even it's not. It looks like nothing wrong with it, but the glue got weak. The bind stick on the plastic with a UV glue. So I'm gonna take it off and reglue it. And then head. I don't have to do anything with the head because the print's pretty good. If I sell in the United States here, I clean it out and then wash them out, everything, but I don't have to do it because I'm gonna send it out to Korea. But I'm still gonna do this one. And you start peeling off. It's already got weak. It may gonna show the sign soon. See, it's pretty easy to peeling off because the glue already got weak. So I'm gonna apply the UV glues all around the edge and put this paste back on. You wipe it off with alcohol tissue, clean the surfaces, and let it dry. This is a UV glue with a UV light. Most of 8600 series printer in, offset has been thrown out because of all this, mostly like a depleted problem. When this spine filled up, keep on showing depleted message even you put a new cartridge in it, and people thinking something wrong with the printer, so they throw it away. Because replacing the printer like $180 with a set of cartridges, even the the printer only like $100. Those are like I mean, if it's not in the like a genuine HP boxes, those are other than that, most stuff selling from Amazon, eBay without the boxes, the print only, without the seller card. Those are like a huge fail product, which is sold out to the factory, the back door of the factory from China. Before the HP moved the factory from China, so it may work in the beginning. It's selling pretty cheap, sometimes like $80, $40, $50, some $100. But soon it gives a system failure message or like a line on it. I need to change the battery. It's too big. UV glue only dries with the UV light. Crazy glue works. Shit. Crazy glue also works, but won't stay that long. I mean, if you can't get this UV glues, then temporarily use the crazy glue. But later, when this peel off again, happen again, then you gotta get the new part. I also sell this part for $20, my website. So after this put it back on, I'm not gonna retest it because I already been test quality nozzle, and I don't need to clean it. I don't need to do anything on that. Just up to the company Korea. So I'm just gonna pack it up and then stack them up. So anything need to purchase of related on this cleaning kits or like some HP or Epson products, go to the website www.proinkshop.com. Check out as guest if you need to buy something. You don't have to log in or you don't have to register. If you need tax support or question, text me 909-815-6681. Text me first your problem, and if you have a picture, that'll be helpful. I'm more than welcome to give us tech support or answer on your question. So about it. I mean, it's some money on the street. I mean, it's just not much as like gold, but it can be good on your second job or even your main job. You can do it. A lot of printers out there, people want to throw out or sell them cheap because some easy minor problems. They don't know what to do with it. But something is easy and money. Something you don't know, it's trash for you. But something it's money for you. So that's about it. Thanks for watching my video. My name is James, Proinkshop.com. Thank you. Bye bye.